afternoon. You're joining in with LBallet. And it's Wednesday, the 23rd of September, 2020. And you're joining in our 4th Pointe Class. Our dancers today are Esme, then you see Sarah, then Merel, Isis, and the last one is Sanne. And it's quite interesting because they have all different feet. Everybody has different feet, but for us now it's a special thing because we are going on our points and we start across the diagonal because we have to learn really to walk like a dancer, plus we have to get used to the soles of our points. That's quite a different thing than the soles of our ballet slippers. So we are walking on a high 3/4 point, and every time you go, you have one foot from the floor. This foot is stretching. So stretch, bow, 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 not holding the toes there. And try to get this tempo in your forefoot. Preparing is in B+, okay. And 1, 2, 3, after 8 the next ones come. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Beautiful. Yes, and your knees are allowed to bow, to bend. Use them. Good. And your heads to the audience. Yes, not too high when you do your petit passé. Yes, quite easy. He says you have a set tutu. Good. Thank you. Please, at the bar, ladies. Starting with the left foot, on the point, through the 3/4, on your point, and 2. Going up. It's a full length of your feet. So go forward, stay, and stay, roll down, 3/4, and down. 1 and 2, going up, being there. Stretch your instep, long toes, no, not clenching toes, really pinching toes, really long toes, and going on 7, 3/4 down, and down. We do this the 4th time, we stay, taking balance. Left, right, left, right. Strong belly muscles, high back muscles. Open your shoulder blades. Yes, search for your neck. Oh, two people. Doing well. Please, Paul. 1 and 2 and 3. Ba. The left leg starts. And 3/4 and up. Going up. Long toes. Stretch your legs. Going down on 7, heels on 8. Right foot 1. Search for the center of your feet. Take your focus straight forward and go down again. And yes, a little more backwards, Sanne. And yes, stretch it. And And hold your pelvis really quiet. Hold, staying arms in first. Hold. Search for your balance. Lift your back over the bar. Yeah, good as me. Don't look downwards. Just feel. And rolling down. And relax a little moment. Look, Merel. Not pushing forward. You see that? It's really down. And there you go up. It's quite relaxed. Yeah, and now go up. Hold it long. And you're not pushing forward. Yes, that's better. So your lumbar part of the spine is going up, not back. That's it. That's better. Okay, thank you. First position, the same. Also, with the balance at last. 4 times. Now we have to get our turn out, because we have only this little nose keeping the contact with the floor. So you have to turn your legs completely out. Otherwise they turn in. Also the back of the foot are on the floor. Sarah, the ball, yes, there, okay. Shoulders down, open your back. And don't look down, Sanne. Please, Paul, the same. Left foot, 1. Going up. Go. Stay. Rolling down. Good. And right foot, 2. Going up. It's not climbing, Going down. And 1. Stretch your toes, not over the toes. Rolling down. And 1. Holding. Feel your turn out. Hold it. Good, Merel. Yes. Grab the bar. Grab the bar, please. And now turn your legs to parallel. Not looking. And now turn out. Feel where your turn out happens. Where it happens all. Again. Parallel. Esme a little sloping forward over the bar. And turn out. Yes, and roll down. That's the only moment you can do that. On the 3/4 point, that's impossible. But then you really feel that opening here is the question. Okay, now we're going back to the parallel for the second sequence. And we're going up on the rolling. Up and 2. And up, 2. And down. Team, and up, pa-pa-tam, and down, pee-pee-dum, and up, pee-pee-dum. A little balance, rolling down again, right foot, pee-pee-tum, 2 feet, ta-ta-tum, 1, and up, and 1, and up, little balance, going down, turn out, and 1, pee-pee-tum, and up, pa-pa-tum, and rolling down, and team, and up, pa-pa-dum, pa-pa-dee, pee-pee-dum, 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 little balance, holding down 2 feet, and the right foot, and the last one stays.